Welcome to our channel where today we make logging into Twitter X easier than ever. Follow along as we break down every step, so you never miss a moment on this dynamic platform. Welcome to our channel. Here is your comprehensive guide on how to log into your Twitter, now known as X, account efficiently and securely. Start by opening your preferred web browser or the Twitter app on your mobile device. If you are on a desktop, simply go to the official Twitter website. If on a mobile device, open the Twitter app. Next, locate the login button prominently displayed on the homepage. Tap or click on it to proceed to the login interface. Now you are presented with options to enter your credentials. Begin by entering your current username or your email address linked to your Twitter account. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any sign-in errors. After that, enter your password accurately. Twitter passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check for uppercase or lowercase letters. Once you've filled in your credentials, click or tap on the login button. If you've forgotten your password, there's a forgot password link you can use to reset it securely by following the prompts. If two-factor authentication or verification is enabled, you might need to enter a code sent to your phone or email. This extra step ensures your account stays protected and secure. After successful login, you will be redirected to your Twitter homepage, where you can start tweeting, viewing trends, and interacting with your followers. If you are new or still don't have an account, visit the sign-up option on the login page and follow the registration process for creating your Twitter account. Don't forget to verify your email and customize your profile for the best experience. Make sure to keep your login details private and update your password regularly to maintain security. That's it. You are now ready to enjoy the full experience of Twitter with easy access to real-time conversations and news.